All, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video we are going to talk about pickling and scaling in machine learning. So guys, if you remember in the last tutorial we finished up making a forecast of stock prices using regression, and then we have created a matplotlib graphs using that one. Okay, in the last video we have done the prediction and etc. So as you can see here, the graph that we have created in the last video, but in this video we will talk about some more next steps that we have to do. So guys, in this video, as I said, I am going to talk about the pickle. So guys, first of all, what is pickle in machine learning? Pickle is a Python module used to serialize a Python object into a binary format and deserialize it back to the Python object. So pickle is used to serialize an object into a binary format and deserialize it to deserialize back into the Python object. So this is how pickling is used. So guys, what is the use of it? Why we use that in what is the use of pickle module in machine learning? The pickle module keeps the track of the objects it has already serialized so that later references to the same object won't be serialized again. Okay, thus allowing for faster executing time. So that's why pickling is used here. So guys, first of all, I'm going to import here the pickle. So let's import pickle pickle. Now let's run it. So guys, as you can see here, it's running. So guys, that's why it showed me now. Now I'm going to run here. So I'm going to run all of them. So guys, with Pickle, you can save our Python objects like our classifier. After defining, training, and testing, we can and doing the classifier, we can save that. Okay, so I want to show you how we can do that. So first of all, I am going to use where is that? Okay, so I'm going to do this one here below this one first of all. So guys, for this one we have to import the pickle. So we have already imported that one. Right now we have the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, first of all, I'm not going to do anything and I'm going to restart this kernel. Yes. Now I'm going to run from here, but this one also. So this is also run, this is also. I'm going to run all of them. Okay, and now in this one I'm going to run also. So guys, nothing happened up to this point. Now below this clf.fit, I'm going to open here like with open with this open, we can create brackets and we can give here something like regression regression dot, I can give you dot pickle comma wob. Okay, and now I'm going to open it as f, which is file, as a file. Now below this one I have to dump here the pickle slide. So guys, for dumping that pickle, I'm going to use here the pickle dot dump, and in the brackets I'm going to use the pickle. Okay, so guys, this is how we can do dumping. CLF on F. Now like this. So guys, this is how we will do the pickle. This is how we dump it right now. Now guys, I don't want to run it right now, so I want to make some more changes here before doing these things. First of all, let's run it. Nothing happened, and instead of print accuracy, I'm going to remove these whole things. Now instead of this one, I'm going to give here pickle underscore n. Okay, so for doing this one, I'm going to open this file. So guys, first of all, I'm going to check that this file is created or not as a regression or pickle. So I'm going to open my directory code with Python. So guys, as you can see here, regression.pickle is created. Now I can open with the more apps. Let's open this only. Sorry, I've closed this one by mistake. Connect all of them. Now if I see here, we are alright. Okay, now this is how. Now I am going to open here with this one. Open the regression dot pickle. So guys, what we are doing is we are not able to open that with other browsers like Brave or Google Chrome. So that's why I am going to open in this file by the code. So guys, as you can see here, I have given like pickle in, I have created a variable and I have given like open the regression pickle file, comma rb. I'm going to give this one only. Now at the end of this one, pickle.in we have. Now I'm going to give it the clf should be equals to pickle. The pickle dot load. I want to load it and then pickle in. Now if I run it, let's see what's going to happen. So guys, first of all, I just ran this one. Now below this one, I have to run here, this one, and this one also. So guys, as you can see here, we have this one. So for opening, right? Okay, so I can make these things. I don't want these to be here. Okay, I can make these things into the. Now I'm going to save it right now. Let's run it. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this is how we see, like, as you can see here, we have all of these data. If you see here, we have the print. If we give like print forecast set, so this is how it's going to work. And then if I open my file and if I open with choose another app, more, let's open with the family. So guys, if I open here like this, as you can see here, this notepad file will be like this one. The linear regression, there will be like other type of codes in this one. So anyhow guys, so we can save our classifiers, we can save our output in the pickle file. Okay, so anyhow guys, that's all for this video. And if you have any questions, please give that in the comments below. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next video.